It's time. I had always planned on Wicked Big Meat being the last event for these tires, and we just barely made it. These tires have seen a lot. They've seen a full season of SCC Autocross, 2 Wicked Big Meats, 2 Jones Beach events, and an autocross / track day at Lime Rock. So they've been through a lot. I think it's about time to retire them and put on some new stickers. Yes, I said stickers. Now, a lot of people who know me know that I literally live off used tires. But I finally have a decent job and make enough money where I could afford sticker tires. But I've also finally progressed. Well, I wouldn't even say progressed. I've plateaued in my driving and probably even started to dip down a little bit. So I think it's time to actually focus, get real, put in the actual effort, and put on some real tires. Now, I teased these. None of you have noticed yet, but I had these tires hidden in the background of a few recent videos. The closest view you got of these was of the solar video. Click right here, I'll put the link and you can see how badly you missed it. But I have a fresh set of Falcon RT660s. They're 245, 4017, same size I've been running for years. And today we're putting them on. It's Monday. It's the Monday after Wicked Big Meat, so I'm still actually in the process of unpacking from Wicked Big Meat. But while I'm taking the tires off the trailer, I might as well just do this now, get it over with, so I could put them on Friday or Thursday or Friday whenever I start prepping for this weekend, because this Sunday is the second points event for MYR SCCA. And so we're going to swap over the tires, and then we're gonna do kind of a hidden camera thing. I'm gonna leave the 360 cam on the roof rolling all event to see if I can catch people trying to figure out why I became 3 seconds faster overnight. So hopefully I'm 3 seconds faster. I'm gonna have to go read Speed Secrets. So here we are, we got the first one dismounted. I'm gonna take the wheels outside, give them a quick clean, because these new brakes, if you missed that video, click here. The new brakes are very dusty and the wheels are disgusting. All right, so the 4 tires are mounted. It was a pain in the ass getting some of the beads to pop, but we got it. So let's go autocrossing and see if anybody notices. So it's Sunday, we're at the event, got our full setup. Check out that solar. Did you miss that video? Click right here. But so far nobody's noticed, which is fine because the car's just sitting there. But once it starts moving, I think is when people are gonna start to notice that I've gotten just a little bit faster. But also, it's fucking raining, so my pace might not even really show. New rotor rings, because those are fucking miserable. Yeah. Sounds like a nice 2000. No, the rotor rings are like 120 a piece. The pad, the DS2500s are like 200 for the set. So it wasn't too bad.
That was awesome, man. Dude, you're fucking nuts. You're going crazy.
the event, and still nobody has noticed. I've been dropping hints like crazy, but nobody has noticed yet. I just told Mark that it's really nice having a tire machine because I can change my tires anytime I want to, and nobody will know. I can just change my tires. And he's like, yeah, it's pretty cool. So now I'm parked with the wheel turned and the 360 cam on the roof. I'm hoping somebody notices, because then this is all just gonna be for naught. So, in the most anticlimactic way possible, nobody fucking noticed my tires, so I just told everyone. Subscribe. I'll see you next Tuesday.